Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and tap on About Phone because we have to activate the developer options in which we will be able to find the automatic system updates. So here in About Phone we have to keep tapping on the MIUI version, which will allow us, as I said, to activate the developer options. We are in a developer mode, we've got this info, so we can simply go back to the general settings, and now let's scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options, and here let's scroll until you will find the option automatic system updates. As you can see, this option is turned off in my case, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really need to remember about the updates, just remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn off this option whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.